Did you know that the average car owner spends over $1,000 every year on repairs and maintenance? But here's the kicker. Much of that expense is completely avoidable. What if I told you there are simple insider secrets that could save you hundreds of dollars while keeping your car in top shape? In this video, I'm sharing 10 car repair secrets that can save you $1,000 or more every year. And here's the best part. They're easy to do yourself. Also, stick around until the end for a bonus tip that'll help you save even more money. Ready to take control of your car maintenance and your budget? Let's dive in. Number 1. Perform your own oil changes. Did you know that changing your oil at a shop could cost you anywhere from $50 to $100 per visit? Here's the secret. Most mechanics won't tell you. You can easily do it yourself for a fraction of the cost. Just $25 to $40, depending on the type of oil and filter you buy. Modern cars are designed with convenience in mind, featuring easy-to-access oil filters and drain plugs that even beginners can handle. All you need is a quick online tutorial, a wrench, and an oil pan to get started. Not only will you save money, but you'll also avoid the upsell tactics some shops use to push unnecessary services. Over the course of a year, with just 4 or 5 oil changes, you could save up to $200. That's money back in your pocket for something as simple as rolling up your sleeves and spending 30 minutes in your driveway. Why pay more when you can master this skill and keep your car running smoothly? Number 2. Rotate your tires regularly. Did you know that many drivers unknowingly shorten the life of their tires simply by skipping regular rotations? Tire shops charge anywhere from $25 to $50 per rotation. But here's the secret. They don't tell you. You can easily do it yourself with a basic car jack, a lug wrench, and a little time. Regular tire rotation, recommended every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, is critical because it ensures even wear across all 4 tires. Without rotation, the tires on the front axle often wear out faster due to the additional load from braking, steering, and acceleration. Why does this matter? Uneven tire wear can significantly reduce the lifespan of your tires. By rotating them regularly, you can extend their lifespan by up to 25%. Considering that a set of quality tires can cost $600 to $1,200, this simple step can save you between $150 and $300 annually by delaying replacements. Furthermore, properly rotated tires improve your car's handling, braking performance, and even fuel efficiency, keeping you safer on the road. All it takes is following a simple pattern of front tires to the back and vice versa, sometimes crisscrossing depending on your car's drivetrain. A quick tutorial online can show you how to do it correctly. With just a little effort, you'll not only save money, but also get the most out of every mile your tires travel. Number 3. Clean and maintain your car. Battery mechanics might charge up to $50 for this service, but with just baking soda, water, an old toothbrush, and a little effort, you can get the job done in minutes. Over time, car battery terminals can accumulate corrosion, a crusty white or green residue that weakens the connection between the battery and your car's electrical system. This can cause starting issues, reduce battery efficiency, and even shorten its lifespan. By cleaning the terminals regularly, you'll ensure a strong, consistent connection that helps your battery work at full capacity. A well-maintained battery can last up to 5 years, saving you from unnecessary replacements that can cost $100 to $200. Regular cleaning also prevents unexpected breakdowns, which can lead to costly towing or emergency repairs. Want to make it even easier? After cleaning, apply a bit of petroleum jelly or a battery terminal protector spray to prevent future corrosion. Number 4. Use high-quality wiper blades and replace them yourself. Shops often charge $30 to $40 for this simple task, but you can buy high-quality wiper blades for around $20 and install them yourself in just a few minutes. Most modern wipers are designed with easy clip-on mechanisms, meaning no tools or special skills are required. A quick glance at your car's manual or a short online video can guide you through the process. Why is this important? Worn-out wiper blades streak, squeak, and fail to clear your windshield effectively, especially during heavy rain or snow. This reduces visibility and increases the risk of accidents, which could lead to costly repairs or worse. By replacing your blades at least once a year, or more often if you live in a harsh climate, you ensure clear visibility and safer driving. Investing in high-quality wiper blades also pays off in the long run, as they last longer and perform better than cheap alternatives. Plus, doing it yourself avoids the labor charges shops tack on, saving you an extra $10 to $20 every time. Number 5. Inspect and replace your brake pads early. Many drivers wait too long to address worn brake pads, but here's the catch. When the pads wear down completely, they can damage the rotors. Replacing damaged rotors can cost over $300 per axle, while the cost of brake pads is just $40 to $60. The best part? Replacing brake pads is a straightforward task you can do at home with basic tools, like a jack, a lug wrench, and a C-clamp. With a little research or a tutorial video, you can complete the job in about an hour, avoiding hefty labor costs. Brake pads usually have wear indicators, either a squealing noise or a visible metal tab that contacts the rotor, making it easy to know when it's time for a change. By inspecting and replacing your brake pads early, you'll not only save on rotor repairs, but also keep your braking system in top shape, ensuring safety on the road. Number 6. Keep your tires properly inflated. Underinflated tires not only cause your car to burn more fuel, but also lead to faster and uneven tire wear, which means you'll be replacing them sooner than necessary. But the solution is easy. Invest in a $10 tire pressure gauge and check your tire pressure monthly. Most gas stations have air pumps, so topping off your tires is quick and inexpensive. Why does this matter? Properly inflated tires improve fuel efficiency by up to 3%. Which can save you $50 to $100 annually on gas alone. Over the lifespan of your tires, maintaining the recommended PS, I can add months or even years to their usability, saving you hundreds on replacements. This small habit not only saves money, but also enhances your car's performance, providing better handling, safer braking, and a smoother ride. Number 7. Replace your cabin air filter. Dealerships typically charge $50 to $80 for this service, but you can buy a high-quality filter for just $10 to $25 and replace it yourself in less than 10 minutes. Most cars have the filter located behind the glove box or under the dashboard, and swapping it out is as simple as unclipping the old filter and sliding in a new one. Why is this important? A clean cabin air filter keeps the air inside your car fresh and free from allergens, dust, and debris. More importantly, it prevents strain on your air conditioning system, which can lead to costly repairs if left unchecked. Over time, a clogged filter reduces airflow, making your AC work harder and increasing the risk of component failure. By replacing your cabin air filter at least once a year or more frequently, if you drive in dusty or polluted areas, you ensure proper airflow and avoid unnecessary AC repairs. It saves you $50 to $100 annually while helping your AC last longer. Number 8. Learn how to replace headlights and taillights. Shops typically charge $50 to $100 for this simple task, but the truth is, most bulbs cost under $20 and can be swapped out in minutes with just a screwdriver. Many modern cars have easily accessible light housings, making it a quick fix that doesn't require special skills or tools. Why is this important? Driving with a burnt-out headlight or tail light isn't just unsafe, it's illegal in many places and could result in a ticket, adding unnecessary expenses. Furthermore, neglecting a faulty bulb can lead to more extensive electrical issues if moisture gets inside the light housing. Replacing a bulb yourself is as simple as removing the light housing cover, unplugging the old bulb, and plugging in the new one. By doing this yourself a couple of times a year, you can save $100 to $150 annually, all while avoiding potential fines and ensuring your car stays road safe. Number 9. Avoid overloading your car. Many drivers don't realize that carrying excess weight in your vehicle puts unnecessary strain on critical systems like the suspension, brakes, and engine. Over time, this extra strain accelerates wear and tear, leading to higher repair costs for components that could have lasted much longer. By simply decluttering your car, removing heavy, unnecessary items from the trunk and cabin, you can reduce the load your vehicle has to carry. A lighter car not only puts less stress on its components, but also improves fuel efficiency. Studies show that for every additional 100 pounds, fuel economy drops by about 1%. By lightening your load, you could save $50 to $75 annually on gas alone, especially if you drive frequently or long distances. The benefits don't stop there. Avoiding overloading extends the lifespan of your suspension and braking systems, potentially saving you hundreds in repair bills. So take a few minutes to clean out your car, and you'll enjoy a smoother ride, better fuel efficiency, and fewer repair costs. Number 10. DIY windshield chip repair. A small chip in your windshield might seem harmless at first, but if left untreated, it can quickly spread into a crack, often requiring a full windshield replacement. A professional chip repair typically costs $50 to $75, while a complete replacement can set you back $300 or more. The good news? You can handle small chips yourself with a $15 DIY repair kit from any auto parts store. These kits include everything you need: resin, an applicator, and instructions to stop a chip from growing and restore your windshield's integrity. The process is simple and takes about 30 minutes. By addressing chips early, you can avoid the high cost of professional repairs or replacements, potentially saving up to $150 annually if you're prone to frequent chips from gravel roads or highway debris. Bonus tip: use rewards and coupons for parts and repairs. Save money on car maintenance by signing up for loyalty programs at auto parts stores. These programs often offer discounts, free diagnostics, and tool loaner services, helping you avoid costly professional fees. With coupons and promotions, you can save $50 to $100 annually on parts like filters, brake pads, or oil. Shop smart and let the rewards work for you.